Okay. Hey, everybody. This is Lamont Ellis. So, this is not a Zoom meeting. This is just the easier way for me to record. Usually, I have to edit the video, splice it up, download it, then re download it to YouTube. This is just a lot easier using Zoom because you're able to just record right off that. So, this is going to be a tutorial on how to use Vumber. Vumber is a tool that I used to use a long time ago. I quit using it just because it was just me. Now I got you guys, so I have a reason to use it again. So I'm gonna walk you through this. So this is the web phone. You can work directly off of this actual website. For those who are on their mobile device, they have an app. So you can literally download the app on your phone and make calls. It's a lot better and a lot easier, especially if you're on your phone and you don't have a laptop. So what that means is you might want to try to download it, try to figure that out. But excuse me, you can call directly off of it. I'm gonna put my number in just to show you guys 210-8600. And then whichever team you're on, you guys have team roles. Excuse me. You guys have teams specifically for you. If you're team 2, you use this. If you're team 1, you use this. If you're team 2, excuse me, team 3 or 4, you would click team 4 or 3. So I'm gonna use team 1. Click right here. So let's see what happened. I think I got to switch that to web. Give me 1 second. 763 2. Okay. So as you can see, it's called. My phone is vibrating. So my phone is vibrating right here. So as you can see, it called. I'm gonna go over that and look in a second why that other number they can call. I think it's because it switched to the actual phone and that one is routing to my phone. So you can't call your phone on top of calling your phone. I'll explain it to you. So right here, you can make a call directly off of the platform. So as you can see, it says web phone. And so exactly like I was saying earlier. So when I had called the first number, team 1, it was directly forwarding to my call, and I put this number in there to call it, and it didn't work because I was calling my actual phone, that's what it's forward to. But I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change it to forward to the actual website platform. So you can put your phone number in there directly, or you can put the actual web phone in here. So I have majority of you guys' phones set up as web phone. I really prefer to put you guys' phone number in there so you guys don't get confused. So depending on the actual user you are, there's member 1998, and then there's member 2025, and then there's going to be a um, member 2016. I haven't came up with it yet. And so you can call directly off of this. I mean, you could text directly off of this. Where the thing is, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to text, and I'll tell you. So again, I got you, I got you. So the thing is, you hit team 1, and you can send a text. This is just me typing. This is not real words. So you type it, and then you put the phone number in, of course, 763-250-8600. Again, that's my phone number, and then you hit send, and it'll send it. So what I was getting ready to say earlier, we're in the process of going through the actual texting campaign setup. I haven't set it up yet because I'm dealing with so many things. I'm trying to get you guys ready, get you guys on the phones. So I figured, the best thing is let's get the phones first, and then we'll work on the texting afterwards. So depending on when you see this, the texting may not be set up or it may be set up. So I'm gonna show you more of these features. So right here, you click right here where it says, so first things first, I want to show you this. So when you click this opens up this whole dashboard right here. So if I click that, it'll go away. If I click this, it'll open up. So this is all your call analytics. So you're able to see who's you actually. You're able to see everybody that you call. You're able to see the answered phones. You're able to see the mixed phone numbers. Like if you missed a phone number, you're able to see it right here. Voicemails, you're able to see that. Block phone numbers, flag phone numbers, new contacts that you've added. Ongoing contacts, as you can see, these are the numbers I've been calling the text to actual test it. Also, so when you come right here, it's not showing it because I didn't have a full conversation. But if you come right here, you're able to see you're able to listen to the actual phone call. But since I wasn't having a conversation with nobody, nothing popped up. So right here, again, you're able to send a text message. You're able to make a web phone call. You're able to make just a call back. Again, it just depends on how it's set up. If it's set up as far as forwarding, it'll forward to your phone number. If it's set up to forward to the website, it'll forward to this whole platform right here. And the only people that'll be able to answer the phone number is whatever user you are. So whoever's on your team, they'll be able to answer. You can come right here to phone number contacts. Here's your trash. If you deleted a number, you're able to see that. So when sending text messages, you're able to send text messages right here. Also, it have all your text messages shown right here. So if you wanted to send a text message out, you click that button right there. Again, this is just me typing some stuff. You hit that. Obviously, that's not a word. And then you hit whichever phone number you are actually calling on. I mean, the phone number you're actually texting on, right there. And then you put the phone number. Let's say I wanted to text him right there. I would put his phone number in there and then hit send, and then he'll receive it. As of right now, the texting is not set up. The phone numbers are set up where you're able to physically call people. I got you. The phone numbers is actually set up, but as far as texting, it's not set up yet. So we're able to receive fax. Yeah, we can receive fax numbers depending on the number that you actually have. You may be able to receive a fax. Here's all the phone numbers. Here's all the phone numbers. So when you come right here, this is like the settings. If you come right here, these are the numbers that's added to it. So as you can see, I have these numbers set to web phone. So if I come right here, I want that to I want this to be set to web phone too. So I'm gonna come in where it says forward call. I'm gonna add web phone. Now I added web phone. So I added web phone now. So if I come back right here to my numbers and select web phone, it's going to call directly this actual platform. So that's how you do it. So here's the here's the conversion where you're able to see it can connect to Podio. So here's the reports. So you're able to determine the reports, how hard you guys. I say this is like it shows you how hard you hustle. If you need to hustle a little bit more or you need to hustle a little bit less, that's what this shows you. It's just a report. And vice versa, it shows you how many calls you received, how many you missed, voicemails, how many times you answered the phone. It keeps track of all this. Again, this is just a simple tutorial. I can go more into detail how it actually works, but I'm just trying to show you guys. So when you're getting ready to make a call, again, you see make a call. You want to make sure you have this open because I have you guys set to an actual web phone. So it's connected to this platform. So when you make a call, you want to open that up right there and make the call. Again, you type the number 763 and then you hit, let's try one again. So as you can see, it's calling. My phone is vibrating right now. Um, I'm decline. Yes, I know, because that's me. So, as you can see, that's pretty much how you make a call. You want to make sure you check your settings. As you can see, I'm talking so I can see it. The reason why I say that because depending on whichever tool you're using, phone or website, it may work or it may not work. So you want to be able to make sure you got everything together. Right here, this is your portfolio. Excuse me. This is your profile. You come right here. This is the account. And then the user's names. Again, this is the user. This is me. And then this is team one and etc. And then the texting campaign, again, we're still setting this up, so you guys wouldn't be able to text on it right now. Give me a couple of days and I'll have it ready for you. Got to go through the process of verification and all that other good stuff. So this is pretty much how you make a call. It's very simple, short. And I'm sorry, I'm trying not to say simple because I know that some things may not be simple to other people. And the only reason why it's simple to me is because I've been using it for so long. But yeah, you come right here, you send a text message. You come right here, you make a phone call. Again, you hit connect. And for those, they have a actual app. I'm gonna see if I can find it real quick. Um, yes, I know this is my computer. I'm just trying to show you. Yeah, so here's the app. So again, this is not an iPhone. I just want to show you guys they actually have a app for this actual tool. So you whatever phone you have, they may actually have it for you. So you can call directly off of your actual cell phone. I know some people don't have a laptop, so I just wanted to show you this. Hey, and they have Android apps too. I have an Android. Some people have iPhones. Whichever one you use, just type in this information right here, Vumber business phone or Vumber, and it'll pop up. But that's pretty much it, guys. It's a very simple tutorial. And yes, I am not in a meeting. This is just the easy way to record the video. Thank you guys so much. Have a nice day. Bye. Let's stop this. Stop sharing.